just landed in Miami. We have a layover here. We have, I guess, like another hour or so before we should be boarding. So we will be boarding soon. Yeah. So next stop will be Panama.
Ready to go.
this is day 2 in Panama. It's actually my birthday. Yay! 3/13. It's my birthday today. So we are headed on this it's like a village tour to see some like indigenous people here in this like little village. It's supposed to be a waterfall and everything. So we are waiting for our tour bus to come, and yeah, we're about to go do that. So we just had breakfast, which their breakfast was 10 out of 10. Amazing spread, so highly recommend. But see you at the little village. So this is
Just watch your step.
What kind of fish they have in this store?
Tilapia.
Tilapia. So tilapia is in this one.
Seven different villages along this lake, this river.
So one
The name of this one is Tusipo.
to see.
When we come back from the waterfall, there will be one of them will explain what they do for a living. Even you have a small lunch. You have a lunch. These are some of their. This is part of the tradition of these trips. So through the music, they show affection to the people.
beautiful.
So how they made their own music instruments. The flute is made of bamboo. For the drums, they use woods and skins of animals.
Gracias.
Panamá.
Can you reach to see the? Take a look here. Looks hello.
Oh, there.
Hola. Hola. En la playa. They have an accident years ago. Now it's in there. Sinhole.
Are you fat too?
Woo. This is a serious hike to the waterfalls. Wasn't ready for this. a look when he's over it.
Nah, be in the water with this phone. I don't want to drop it. That's the real truth.
I could go back over that way.
Yeah, that's the way we're gonna go.
You can see that here.
This
Turn
stuff.
around, babe. The waterfall will be behind us.
Yeah, I see.
Look at this beautiful waterfall. It took a lot for us to get to this waterfall. The hike was crazy.
And argument. Let's not forget the argument.
You always gotta be the team I can.
Yeah.
Oh, this got deep.
All right. Yeah, it got deep. All right.
You gonna get it? Probably fire.
They name Sepo. They call this kind of tool Sepo in Spanish. Sepo. And she's going to explain so what kind of felonies or
Disposal malo. right up here.
Necessarily. I'm trying to go. Okay.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so look, they got a hotel up there.
Walking these streets of Tobago, Panama.
We could have got a hotel here, babe. Very good prop.
Little cute little islands.
We should got a hotel here.
Yeah.
You guys out? So he was just giving me a play about walking, like he was saying he wanted to get in there. Like this guy got pizza. I said, you got the perfect area. No dog shit, you better watch out. Like you dog shit everywhere, huh? Swimming on the ass. Look at that baby.
Back in the 16th century. So you're looking at 500 years of history.
Oh yeah, these streets is old. Hey,
No,
where
they're
you
not.
been?
They're not. This wasn't built for cars.
Oh,
In the 16th century, they didn't have any cars.
right. They had horses.
There you go.
They probably should have kept that whole thing.
Yeah. Where in the States are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
New Jersey.
Okay, East Coast.
Look how beautiful this is.
See what I think I want.
hotel probably is nice over there. Probably is more expensive to be over here than over on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we must have been last. Still waiting for our monkey tour. In a little bus on our way headed to the Monkey Island tour. So that's where we are
Ellos la vieron, espera.
Oye, señor Daniel, ¿la vieron?
Ellos la vieron. Yo soy, right?
Oye. Mire usted atrás que yo vivo de la casa para atrás, yo estoy bien. Oye, no, pero si no te puedes meter. Enfrente, ¿no? Espérate.
Iguana. Okay, here you have.
Chica,
Right on my leg.
hola.
You missed it. He got it right on my leg. He took the great thing and said,
Oye.
I was getting in
Ven, niña, ven.
Okay, now
Coge.
they're coming back.
let me get another grape.
Okay,
Ven.
right. This is alpha.
Ven,
This is the alpha.
Ven, mi amor.
This is the alpha. Okay.
Ven.
Go to the.
Pues ven.
Don't miss opportunity. Okay? Don't miss this opportunity.
Oh, now they all come.
That's another one.
Allá
That's a
aparece.
female. This is a female, my friend. She's going to give you some peanuts.
Tómenle fotos.
You have some peanuts there in the back? Give one peanut here.
Ven, bebé. Chica, ¿le quieres dar?
Oh, she found a grape that was up that you couldn't find on the floor.
Ven, oye. Ven. Ven. Ven, coge, ven.
Oh,
Coge, ven. Oye, mira. Coge, ven. Coge, ven. Okay, look at the luch in the back.
Se le está saliendo el bote, purre.
Porque si meto cambio, él se va a asustar.
No, no se asusta mientras yo le esté dando. Ven. Niño, ven. Oye.
Okay, let's do it right. Okay, don't miss the opportunity, guys. Take pictures.
Tiene el teléfono.
I'm sorry. Like, what are you doing?
See, they are very scared. They are very shy. They see a movement or something and they go. It was replaced by Hoover Dam in the United States, Hoover Dam, in 1936.
So that's bigger than the
Sorry?
It's bigger than the
No, Hoover Dam is actually bigger. Yeah, Hoover Dam replaced it. It was the biggest in 1913. In 1936, Hoover came and was bigger. It's actually bigger.
Okay, we was gonna make it up. Yeah.
Walking these Panama streets. We're headed to Alejandro to get something to eat breakfast before we head to, what is it, Old Town, Panama, in a little bit. Out here to Alejandro. It's like empty, right? Out here to Alejandro. It's like empty, right? It is now a blackout. Sorry. I think it's now a blackout.
In the dark, we're eating. We're eating good food in the dark. Yeah, that looks good over there.
Want the rest? So the power has gone out over here in Panama.
Let's chill for a minute. You want to chill for a minute?
What you want to do?
Yeah, let's chill for a minute.
You think the power will end up coming back on?
Oh no, we're gonna find.
Okay, this is insane. We are in Old Town, down here in Panama, right? And the power has gone out, and like everybody's on the street. I mean, it's insane. The police were out here with their like guns out, the whole nine. Woo! It's crazy out here.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be.
over. So, had a great time. Enjoyed Panama. Lights went out last night, which killed the whole vibe of our last night here, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, waiting for our Uber, and we are headed to the airport. So, peace out, Panama.